how to check data balance for MTN, Glo, Airtel and Etisalat. How to check data balance for MTN, Glo, Airtel and Etisalat. How to check data balance on your phone for MTN, Glo, Airtel and Etisalat. To check your data balance for MTN, all you have to do is just on your phone you do the following: test 2 to 131. If you want to check your data balance on MTN, just test 2 to 131. You can just test 2 to 131 if you want to check your data balance on MTN, or you simply dial *559 star *559 hash. *559 hash or star 559 hash. Either you call it * or star. Some will call it star, some will call it *. So you just dial star 559 hash, or you test 403 to 131. Let me come again. For you to check your data balance on MTN, all you have to do is, there are different ways to do it. Either you test 2 to 131, you will get your data balance, or you simply dial star 559 hash, star 559 hash, or test 403 to 131. So one step, second step, third step. So there are 3 ways you can do that. You test 2 to 131, or you dial star 559 hash, or you test 403 to 131. So with this, you'll be able to check your data balance of MTN network. Your data balance, that's what you use to check it. For Glo, for you to check your Glo data balance, you have to do the following: you send info to 127. Info to 127 for you to know your Glo data balance. Info is INFO to 127, or you send status to 777. You send info to 127, or you send status on your phone. Just type as if you want to send text message. Send status to 777. That's 777. That's for you to check the data balance on Glo. Want to check the data balance on Glo? Just type status STATUS to 777. It will tell you your status, the status of your Glo balance. For Airtel, if you want to check your Airtel balance, what you have to do is for you to do what? You dial star 141 star 11 star 0 hash. You'll be able to know your Airtel balance. What did I say you should do? Dial star 141 star 11 star 0 hash, star 141 star 11 star 0 hash, or you can use star 123 star 10 hash, or you can dial also star 141 star 712 star 0. That will enable you now to do what? To get your Airtel data balance. So that's how you will be able to know your Airtel data balance. Star 141 star 11 star 0 hash, or star 123 star 10 hash, or you dial star 141 star 712 star 0 hash. I hope this helps. The next one is Etisalat. To check your data balance on Etisalat, is also on my other video. What you have to do is for you to just dial star 228 hash to check your Etisalat balance. What that says you should do, you have to dial star 228 hash to check your Etisalat data balance. Thanks for watching. I believe this helps. If you know that this video helps you, please don't forget to subscribe with the red button below. Subscribe to this channel for you to get subsequent video on how to do things, or how guys on everything. Just subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to use the comment box below to make your comments and observation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.